The transformative influence of artificial intelligence, AI, on the workplace has been accelerating, marking a paradigm shift in how businesses operate. As we approach 2024, the integration of AI is becoming increasingly integral to various facets of work, influencing tasks, decisions, and organizational strategies. We delve into the evolving nature of the AI-driven workplace, exploring how AI is shaping roles, enhancing decision-making, and personalizing employee experiences. The current state of AI in the workplace. As of 2024, AI technologies are prevalent across industries, revolutionizing the way work is done. The automation of repetitive tasks, data analysis, and decision-making processes has become standard practice. This not only boosts operational efficiency but also empowers employees to redirect their focus toward more intricate and creative aspects of their roles. Automation of repetitive tasks. The automation of repetitive tasks through artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the contemporary workplace. AI-driven automation streamlines operations by handling mundane and routine tasks, significantly improving efficiency. This not only frees up valuable human resources but also allows employees to redirect their focus towards more complex and intellectually stimulating aspects of their roles. The precision and reliability of AI in executing repetitive tasks contribute to enhanced productivity, reduced errors, and overall operational excellence. As organizations increasingly embrace AI for task automation, they unlock opportunities for innovation, creativity, and a more strategic utilization of human potential within the workforce. Enhanced decision-making. Enhanced decision-making, facilitated by artificial intelligence, AI, is a pivotal aspect of the modern workplace. AI algorithms analyze vast datasets, identify patterns, and provide valuable insights, augmenting human decision-making processes. This synergy between human intuition and data-driven analysis empowers organizations in strategic planning and complex problem-solving. The result is more informed, efficient, and impactful decision-making, enabling businesses to navigate the complexities of the contemporary business landscape with greater precision and foresight. Personalized employee experiences. Personalized employee experiences, shaped by artificial intelligence, AI, are redefining the workplace dynamic. AI analyzes individual preferences, learning styles, and work patterns to tailor employee experiences, from onboarding to ongoing training. This customization fosters a more engaged and motivated workforce by addressing unique needs. AI contributes to a workplace culture that values individual growth and well-being. As organizations prioritize personalization through AI, they not only enhance employee satisfaction but also cultivate a collaborative and adaptive environment that is conducive to continuous professional development and success. Predictive analytics for HR. Human resources departments are leveraging AI for predictive analytics. This enables the forecasting of workforce trends, identification of potential talent shortages, and data-driven decision-making regarding recruitment, retention, and talent development. Preparing for the AI-driven future. Investing in skills development. Organizations must prioritize investing in comprehensive employee training programs. These programs should focus on enhancing digital literacy and equipping workers with the skills necessary to collaborate effectively with AI technologies. Ethical AI implementation. Ethical considerations in AI implementation are paramount. Establishing guidelines for responsible AI use, addressing biases in algorithms, and ensuring transparency in decision-making processes are essential for building trust and maintaining ethical standards. Flexible work environments. The AI-driven workplace encourages a shift toward more flexible and dynamic work environments. Organizations should embrace remote work options and foster a culture that values results over rigid working hours. This flexibility not only accommodates diverse working styles but also enhances employee satisfaction and productivity. As we stand on the brink of 2024, the AI-driven workplace is not just a glimpse of the future but a dynamic reality. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.